upon a time, in a farm, there lived a hard-working bull and a very lazy horse. The horse always made fun of the bull and never admired his hard work. One day, the bull was returning home after working hard all day long when he saw the horse eating piles of hay. Seeing the bull, the horse let out a laugh and said, "Oh, you poor thing, you must be hungry after all that work." The bull ignored the arrogant horse and kept quiet. Then the bull had an idea. He was sick of the horse making fun of him all the time, so he decided to pretend to be sick. The next day, the farmer saw that the bull hadn't eaten anything since last night. He tried to feed the bull, but the bull didn't eat the hay, so the farmer assumed he was sick. The worker advised the farmer to let the horse go to the fields today, and the farmer agreed. The worker took the horse to the fields to work. It was a beautiful day, but not for the horse, as he had to work hard all day long. Meanwhile, the bull was resting under the shed and enjoying his day off. When the horse worked hard all day, he realized how hard the bull worked, and the horse felt bad. The horse went to the bull and apologized for his actions. The bull was also tired of resting and forgave the horse, and they became good friends. The end.